Greetings, Doctor. I'm Sitara Selvam, and this is my question number 2. And this is the data. For the experimental design, we conducted a survey to collect data from 10 UMS male students, and their weight and BMI was recorded. For the data type, the both weight and also BMI is a scale data. And based on this question, I plan to do simple linear regression. And his research question was, is there a relationship between gender and body weight? And I corrected the research question to, is there a statistical significant linear relationship between the weight and BMI of UMS male students? And for the hypothesis, the null hypothesis is there is no significant linear relationship between the weight and BMI of UMS male students. And for the alternative hypothesis, there is a significant linear relationship between the weight and BMI of UMS male students. And for the criteria, alpha is set at 0.05. After read the questions, I went to Excel and create this table, student ID, weight and their BMI. This is the data. And after that, I went to RStudio, and then first I set the working directory, and then I created the object which is weight and BMI, and the result is this observation. And after that, I conducted Shapiro tests for both weight and also BMI. And from the Shapiro test, this is the result I got. So for the weight, the p-value obtained was 0.9329, which is more than the alpha value 0.05. And for the BMI, the p-value obtained was 0.007404, which is less than the alpha value 0.04. So for the weight, the data is not normally distributed, while for the BMI, it is normally distributed. And then next, I created scatter plot by typing plot for the BMI and also weight. This is my command. And this is the result I obtained, and I put it in PowerPoint. So this is the result I obtained. For the x-axis, it's weight of students versus BMI of students. So from the result we obtained, there is a difference in expected value and also observed value. After that, I created simple linear regression model. This is the object name. And after that, the result obtained was this table. It's a summary. And from that, we can conclude that the intercept is 44.4408, and we can create the AB line, which is this line, for our scatter plot, the best fit line. And the summary of the simple linear regression model, from that summary, I got this table, which where the intercept is same, 44.4408, and also the p-value is 0.8797, which is more than the alpha value. So The significant value of the regression coefficient value is 0.8797. Hence, the linear model is not statistically significant as the value obtained is larger than the alpha value 0.05. Thus, the null hypothesis is not rejected. After that, we conducted a simple linear model regression for ANOVA, and the result I obtained was this. For the DF, for the weight it's 1, and for this it's 8, and the mean and 0.8797, which is the same value. And then, so as a conclusion, the null hypothesis is not rejected. So we accepted the null hypothesis, which is there is no significant linear relationship between the weight and the BMI of male students. That's all for me. Thank you.